but it took place. 6 months ago, a lot of people were, doubting the fact that the women's quota would be in some way respected, and there's going to, and a lot of people were worried that not only losing the 44 that were presently in the current parliament, but alhamdulillah, today we're looking at higher number than we had anticipated. That's what's happening in Somalia. It's changing. I want to thank everybody here for their contribution. It's not easy in keep maintaining the momentum. It's not easy in trying to get reports on time. It's not easy. And I think ASPU has done a fantastic job for keeping us all together. But I would like to also ask our government, 2017 onwards, we want a change of mindset. And we would like you to change the way business is done for, as far as Somalia is concerned. We would like to see more use of country system. We would like to see more. We want to change from decks to necks, from direct execution to national execution. The same way that we are working with the EU, where they are now transferring the national authorizing officer to the Somali government. The same way we would like to see that happening with the UN. We would like to see, more and more, aid flow going directly to with a coordination mechanism. To the region, to the states as well. So let us look at and use this opportunity to change the way business is done in Somalia, so that it helps the institutions and build institutions. So we can have a big, more capable institutions rather than having institutions that are halfway there. And this is something that we all need to work on. In 2017, I hope that we will have our first SDRF after the elections of the president, and because this government will continue to function until it hands over. So let us look at January, and probably we will ask SG to look at the best possible date. But however, let us, whatever we have accomplished so far, it has to continue. It has to continue, and we look at seeing this mechanism that we have built together to be as functioning in 2017. As work together, as building institutions that are, that will be the basis for the development of this country, and see that we pave a whole new way for Somalia, inshallah, in 2017. And I want to thank you all, and I really want you to continue your support as well as your attendance with the SDRF. Thank you so much.